You know you're everything to me, and I could never see that two of us apart. And you know I give myself to you, and no matter what you do, I promise you my heart. I'll build my world around you, and I want you to know I need you like I've never needed anyone before. I live my life for you. I wanna be by your side in everything that you do. If there is only one thing you can't believe, it's true. I live my life for you. I dedicate my life to you. You know that I would die for you, that our love would last forever, and I will always be with you, and there was nothing we can do as long as we're together. I just can't live without you, and I want you to know I need you like I'm